It's a very exciting day here today because we are completely redoing my two boys' bedrooms, and I'm so excited to share this with y'all. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Zarian. I make videos about being a mom, being a Jewish mom, and I absolutely love interior design and decor, especially kids' rooms. They are my love language. So I was so excited to flip my boys' rooms, and today is a very special day because the bedding is here. So this is the Betty's bedding. I have wanted to put Betty's in my kids' rooms for years. They're so nice. I literally just ripped this open. I was so excited. They are zippered bedding. If y'all haven't heard of zippered bedding, pay attention because it's amazing. So basically it puts all the sheets, the duvet, everything together in one, and it zips. So it always looks beautiful. Like when your kids make the bed, when you make the bed, it just looks neat and tidy and gorgeous. And they're also just such luxury, well-made, gorgeous bedding. Let me take it out and show it to you guys. We got pillowcases, we got the whole set. I got the one with the minky fabric on the inside, but like so luxe, so cozy. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have a bunk bed. This is Max's room. And if you've been paying attention and following me, you're probably like, what? Wasn't that bunk bed in Corey's room? We've been flipping the rooms. So let me take you back and I'll show you guys what we've done, and then I'm gonna make the bed with the new Betties. So excited. And of course I have a code for you guys. A discount code. I really recommend it if you're sick of your kids' beds looking like this every morning, despite everyone's best efforts. You really gotta try Betty's. Look how cool this is. I'm gonna make the beds. I can't wait. While you guys are watching that footage back of what we've been up to in the rooms, I'm gonna make the beds and show you guys how good they look. Okay, so here is the before of Max's room. We got this bed, I think 2 years ago, so it has been some time, and that chair in the corner has lasted for 4 years now and it still looks really good. I'm gonna get it dry cleaned though. And then we've got his bookshelves, and I want to get him a desk. He's in first grade. Oh wait, here's the fish. I took like a 20-minute video of the fish, guys. Don't worry, I edited it down for you guys. Those are our fishies. Anyways, I want to get him a big boy desk because he's going to be starting second grade soon. I just feel like it's time. And then right now, Corey's room has the bunk beds, but we had this special batten board wall in his room, and I felt like the bunk beds were just kind of overpowering and almost like lost the whole point of doing that special focal point wall. So that was another motivator I had in switching the two kids' beds. And they love to do sleepovers every Shabbat. I'm just clearing this bookshelf, by the way. They love to do sleepovers every Shabbat, and Max's bed had a trundle bed underneath, so we knew like wherever they wanted to do the sleepover they could. But it actually got really annoying to take the trundle bed out every time because it didn't exactly fit in the space, so we had to like sort of move the bed, and it was just the whole thing. And they were literally doing sleepovers every Friday night, so I was like, I wish they would just do them in the bunk bed, but they want to do it in Max's room. You know how kids are. So I was like, you know what, let's just switch the beds. Then we can see that focal point in Corey's room better. The bunk bed can be in Max's room where they want to do their sleepovers. So that was the impetus. So like I said, started with the idea of getting Max a desk, a big boy desk as he gets into second grade. And here we are completely redoing both their rooms. So this bunk bed, I will link it for you guys. It's from Amazon. It's not very expensive for a bunk bed. I believe it was between $500 and $600, which for a bunk bed is pretty good, especially considering, as you can see, the twin bed on top and the full bed on the bottom come apart and you can use them as separate beds. And it also comes with those side stairs. Corey had a little bookcase that was falling apart. It was a $20 Amazon one, so it was time for that to go. And now I am just cleaning up. So this is the batten board. I think that's what it's called. Focus wall in Corey's room. We had a contractor put this in for us when we moved in, and I absolutely love it. I love having this like focal point to the room, and I'm excited to switch the bed so that you can really see it and see how beautiful it makes the room. By the way, another little tip is we put crown molding in the room, and I feel like it just makes the room look so much nicer. Okay, so it's officially the next day, and I've had a chance to like finish vacuuming, put all the little things away, and sort of like pause here where we are. So I wanted to give you an update because I think this is like whenever you watch videos online, it's like instantly from there to here, you know, you just snap your fingers and it's done. But obviously in real life, it takes so much longer, and there's so much like stop and start, pause, rethink, reevaluate, and that is the truth of how it happens. So I wanted to share where we are right now and what I'm thinking, because I actually like doing it slowly for two reasons. One, it gives the boys time to like adjust. I feel like for my kids, like, don't like big sudden changes like that, especially in their spaces. And two, it gives me a chance to be like, wait, do I really like it this way? That sort of thing. As we left it, Corey's room is the more slightly done room, but this chair, I took off the covers to go to the dry cleaning, so it's looking quite silly right now. Got no art on the walls over there. The window treatments are gray, and I think I'm gonna swap them for the ones in Max's room, which are navy. This bookshelf I love. I think part of me is like, oh, should I give it to Zachary? Like, does it belong there? I don't know. But I think I like it. And I've been just styling it, moving it around some of the things a little bit. Corey's the most wonderful child in that, oh, I gotta sit down. He will let me like put things where I want them to go, and then he'll just like go with it. Like, not all my kids have that personality, but Corey, I just like set things up in his room and he's like, okay, and he like sticks with it. But I also want to be like, you know, considerate of his things. So like, I personally wouldn't have chosen to put his Pokemon box with his cards in it over here. It's not my favorite aesthetic, but I want him to be in a place that he can reach, and obviously it's his room. Okay, so the bed, obviously we haven't done yet, but this is where I think we will put his bed, and it's the same size and shape and design and everything. It's just gonna be navy instead of gray. So that's where we're at right now with Corey's room. I also styled those shelves a little bit. I just put his little Pokemon guys, up. Aren't they so cute? So that's that. But are you ready for Max's room? Because this is a true, just going to the bathroom, a true state of in-between disarray. So here we go. So those window treatments, those navy ones, I'm going to take into Corey's room. Oh, turn the lights on. Swap them, and then look at the books. So I took them out of the case. I did neatly stack them against the wall, and then of course the boys came in and wanted to like, it's like they had never seen the books that had been on their shelf for 2 years. So they had to like go through all of them. So that's just a big pile of empty books. We've got nothing in that corner right now, and then his bed is the same as it was. So his is really in an in-between state, but again, it gives me time to just think about, like, I think I don't want his name on that wall anymore. The letters like are a little young for me. And then he's got a lot of car stuff because that was his original theme, but now I don't really want a theme, so I'm still very like, I don't know what's gonna go on with the art. But it's nice to have like a little bit of a blank canvas, and in between kind of stage I can figure things out. So that's where we're at. I have just been like cleaning and tidying today. As you can see, I finished Corey's room. I have not really started on Max's, but I will get there before he gets home from school. So yeah, so just want to show you this in between pause, and then I'll meet back up with you when we're ready for the next step. Next up, we are taking out Max's bed. Max's bed is from Pottery Barn Kids. I mentioned it comes with the trundle, or you can buy the trundle, which is really, really nice. It's definitely a higher quality bed than the Amazon duffel bed. Like, as we took it apart, you can just really tell. But you know what? It's a kid's room. It doesn't matter. And here I am back to the present day, making the bed with the beddies. So I absolutely love the beddies. They're all-in-ones, which means the bottom sheet and the comforter are together. It's magic. I don't know what to say. And then the comforter zips closed at the top so that it always just kind of looks neat and tidy, which is huge for me. I don't mind if they're toys. This is like my big ethos about minimalism sofa, minimalist design. I don't care if they have toys strewn about that they're playing with. That's not what bothers me. I like the bones of a room to look simple and organized, and the bedding's really helpful. Okay, so I just finished putting the bedding on and I am loving it so much. It looks so good. If y'all have ever had a bunk bed, you know how tough it is to make the top bunk look anything but a mess. Oh, that's a beautiful sound. This is so easy to make. Like, you literally just zip it and it looks so good. And of course the bottom too, and so easy for kids. Literally just have to zip it and you're done. Like, bonus points if they could even put their pillows on nicely, but I don't mind. It just looks so good, you guys. I'm so happy with it. It's so crazy how long it took to just like get these rooms, get them done, upgrade them to big boy rooms. Okay, so here is a look at where we are now. We've got the bunk bed in Max's room. I just ordered some art for their room, so don't worry, the walls are not staying completely plain forever. They already started like drawing their own art. I was like, okay, I'll get you guys something for the walls. But yeah, so this is what the room looks like. We have not yet gotten the desk for Max, and we have not yet gotten a big chair for Corey. We got rid of his old one and we haven't gotten a new one yet, but we're on it. This is where we are now, and we're gonna get there. I will maybe put up a part 2 if you guys are interested to the full and complete design. But thank you guys for watching this one. I hope you loved it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.